how to install hyperterminal on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to install hyperterminal on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser and then simply search for hyperterminal. Once you've searched, you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with hyperterminal for Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. Once you do that, you will have a download option right here. You need to click on download. And as you can see that on the top, it has started the downloading process. But if it says like me, then you just need to simply click on the download option and then click on the downloaded file again and go with download unverified file. And it will start the downloading process. Now, once the downloading process has been completed, you need to just double click on it and click on yes. Now, once you double click on the file on your browser, it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to choose the install location. If you want to change your install location, you can go with browse, which will be on the right side, and then select an install location. Once you do that, you need to just simply click on install right here, and it will start the installation process. Once the installation process has been finished, you need to just simply click on finish right here on the bottom, and that's it. That's how you can install hyperterminal on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.